Hello, Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar. So now topic is Physics Unit 2 plus 1 rectangular resolution of vector in a plane. So we studied that if we had a vector r and there are two or more directions given, so say we are given a direction a and there is another direction, say b, we want how much a is needed and how much b is needed. So this is a total a needed and this is total b needed. So a multiplied by, so this much is a, so we can say this is something 2.7 a roughly, and b is in this direction approximately, this is 1 2 3, so it is 3.6 b. So if we take 2.7 times a and 3.6 times b, we get this r. So this was our aim, and the directions were random. They were not any fixed directions. They were random directions. In any direction we can have a and b. But if the directions are fixed, say in the x direction and the y direction as the coordinate plane. So this is x direction and y direction. So we have a unit vector I in this direction of x is given by I vector, and this is direction is given by j vector. So these are the x and y axes, and we can give the direction of x by I vector and the direction of y by j direction. They have a 90-degree angle here, so therefore when you complete a parallelogram you actually get a rectangle. So this will be a rectangle. If you have vectors in this direction and this direction, the completion of a parallelogram will be a rectangle. So because rectangle is a special case of a parallelogram, so therefore we have I and j in x and y directions, the unit vectors which give us the directions in x and y. Now we have a vector, say we have x and y directions. So we have x and y directions, and there is a vector like this. So there is a vector like this. So this is some vector, you can say r vector. So you can say a vector, b vector, etc., whatever you like. So let us name it as r vector. You can say f vector, you can say c vector, whatever. So because we know a resultant was represented by r, so we are considering it as r. So there is no problem if you consider as f vector or say c vector or whatever. So now we can complete the parallelogram. So obviously rectangle, because this vector is the I vector. So this is the unit vector I cap, and this is the j cap vector. So I cap vector, so this is the unit vector, this thing is unit vector I in the direction of x, and this is j vector in the direction of y. How many j's and how many i's we have to take so that we get r? So we can complete the rectangle, obviously rectangle parallelogram, that becomes rectangle in this case. So this, so therefore we need up to this point, up to this point. So up to this point we need this I. So obviously you can see up to this, if I take this roughly, I can say this is another I and this is something, so total it will be 2.2 I, if I can imagine or think roughly. So it is approximately 2.2 I, and if I consider it, it is less than j, so it is something 1.8 j. So if I take this length up to here, this point, up to this point, so it is 1.8 j, and if I consider this is 2.2 I roughly. So or we can say this is rx, means we take rx in the direction of x, and the number in the direction of y is ry. So obviously here rx is 2.2, rx is 2.2, and ry is 1.8 which I have taken, so it may be something else. So for this case I have taken this value. I have thought this will do. So Rx is equal to 2.2 and Ry is 1.8. Therefore if I take Rx steps in I direction and Ry steps in J direction, I will get R, actual R. So now this Rx and this Ry, they are the components of R in direction of I and in direction of J, because they are rectangular, so they are known as rectangular components or rectangular resolution. So this is how we have this rectangle thing. So if we take it as R and X and Y rather than Rx and Ry, so rather than Rx and Ry, say we have position vector. Let us have position vector R. So say there is some vector R which is the position vector of some point. Say there is a point P. So this is point P and this is the position vector. Okay. Now if I complete this rectangle, then I will say that this is x steps, this up to here x coordinate. So 1 2 3 4 5, x is equal to 7, say, and is 1 2 3 4 5 6, y is equal to 6, say. So I can say this thing, this length is y and this length is x. And what is this is I cap, and what is this is j cap. So obviously R is represented by xi plus yj. So R position vector is given by xi, means obviously the coordinates are xy. So if the coordinates of this point P are x and y and OP is a position vector of point P, and if we take only point P, then xy are the coordinates of this point P. So therefore OA is x and OB is y. So therefore R is given by xi plus yj. Also you can see this vector is and this vector. So this vector is equal to this OB vector, AP vector, because they are forming a rectangle. So therefore this is actually y. So you have a triangle, so in this direction you have head and tail, in this direction in the same direction, and this is in the opposite direction, or rectangular parallelogram law, or you can have triangle law. So you get this value R is equal to xi plus yj. So this thing happens if this is a position vector, and if it is some other vector other than this position vector, so in that case also I already had taken this value, so R vector. So now in that case we will say Rx and Ry are the components of this vector. So now suppose this angle is theta, this angle is theta, then this is R and this thing total is Rx, this total thing is Ry, or you can say this is Ry. So now you have a triangle, so you have a triangle here, so you have a right angled triangle, so this is a right angled triangle here. So you have a 90-degree angle here automatically because of rectangles. So this thing is Rx, this is R and this is Ry. So I will draw this triangle again. So I have this is R, this is Rx, this is Ry, this is 90-degree, this is theta. So from this triangle what I can find using trigonometry, that Rx over R is equal to cos theta. Rx over R is equal to cos theta. So therefore Rx is equal to R cos theta. Similarly Ry over R is equal to sin theta. So therefore Ry is equal to R sin theta. So we have this value, we have this value. So there are two things. So this Rx is equal to, because Rx and Ry are not known, if we know this theta, we can calculate Rx. So Rx is equal to R cos theta and Ry is equal to R sin theta. So obviously in this case also, if we had this angle theta and this is R, so x is equal to R cos theta and y is equal to R sin theta. So always you remember, in the direction of theta you always have cos theta. Mean if you have again we draw this x and this y, and say there is some vector a vector, now I take A vector. So we complete the rectangle. So we have this A vector, we have this direction as AY and this as AX actually, you know. So if this angle is theta, then AX is equal to A cos theta, and in the opposite Y direction it is A sin theta. So therefore I said the direction, the line with this vector make an angle theta is always cos theta. So this is cos theta, A cos theta, and the opposite side is A sin theta, means the 90 degree direction from this x-axis. So other side it is A sin theta in case it is 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, in that case only. If you only have this direction and you have this r and you have theta, you can always write r cos theta here, but you cannot say if I have another direction. So obviously this direction is not at 90 degree, you cannot write r sin theta. You can only write if this is y axis, if this is vertical, if this is perpendicular to this already given vector. So you may have a vector in this direction, so and you have a vector in this direction. Obviously you can say that x direction is this and y direction is this. So this is y direction. So if you have this angle theta and this is r, then you have to draw a perpendicular here. So you have to take this as x axis. So now you take this as x axis, this as x axis, and draw a perpendicular. Then this thing, this up to this value, this will be r cos theta. So means we always can have r cos theta in the direction which is only given attached to the given vector r, and it can be in any direction, not x and y. But if you want r sin theta, that must be perpendicular to the r cos theta. So if this is r cos theta, then this direction which is perpendicular to r cos theta will be having r sin theta. So I think it is clear. So means if you always have x direction and y direction, they are at 90 degree, in that case only you have a cos theta and a sin theta. But a cos theta you always can get, but a sin theta will be a problem if you don't have y direction. So these are the components of rectangular components of a given vector. So a vector is equal to axi plus ayj. So this is the magnitude, this is the magnitude, this is the vector. So we can say ax vector plus ay vector also. Ax vector and ay vector, because I and j are unit vectors, so we can write ax magnitude into vector plus ay into vector, unit vectors. So therefore ax and ay are the magnitudes. So these are the components also, rectangular components in x direction and y direction. So ax is equal to, so you have to remember this thing, ax is a cos theta and ay is equal to a sin theta. So these things you must remember. Rectangular resolution of a vector in a plane. So this is very important, you have to use it many times. So the one thing, so last thing, which is three-dimensional case. So three-dimensional case, so means if you have x, y and z directions, they say this is your x direction, you can take any x and any y and any z. So therefore you have a vector. Obviously this is the corner 3, this is the floor if you are in a room. So this x and y, this is the floor, so this is the floor, so this is the floor, and this is the wall, this is another wall. So I think I am making it clear. So this is another wall, this is another wall. So in a room, so you can see, so the A ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੰਧ ਆ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਕੰਧ ਆ, ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਕੰਧਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 90 ਡਿਗਰੀ ਦਾ ਐਂਗਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਆਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਐਂਗਲ 90 ਡਿਗਰੀ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਆਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਐਂਗਲ ਵੀ 90 ਡਿਗਰੀ ਦਾ, ਆਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਐਂਗਲ ਵੀ 90 ਡਿਗਰੀ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਜੇ ਘਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਹੀ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਆ, ਉਹ ਪੂਰਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਾਸਿਓਂ 90 ਡਿਗਰੀ ਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ, ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਆਹ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ, ਮਤਲਬ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਧ ਇੱਧਰ ਆ, ਇੱਕ ਕੰਧ ਇੱਧਰ ਆ, ਅਤੇ ਆਹ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ 3 ਡਾਇਮੈਂਸ਼ਨਲ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੋਰਨਰ ਆਊਗਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਸੀਡਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਸੋ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਜੇ ਪੈਨ ਲਈਏ ਤਾਂ ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਕੰਧ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 3 ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਆ, ਅਤੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਤੇ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਆ ਹਵਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਪੈਨ ਇਜ਼ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ। ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਬਾਕਸ ਬਣੇਗਾ, ਸੋ ਬਾਕਸ ਬਣੂਗਾ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ 3 ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਜੀ। ਸੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਈ ਕਹਿ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਜੇ, ਅਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਜ਼ੈਡ ਕੇ ਕਹਿ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਆਈ ਜੇ ਕੇ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੁਣ ਐਕਸ ਵਾਈ ਜ਼ੈਡ ਦੀਆਂ। ਸੋ ਕੋਈ ਵੈਕਟਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਹੁਣ ਹਵਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸੋ ਸੇ ਦਿਸ ਵੈਕਟਰ ਇਜ਼ ਏ ਵੈਕਟਰ, ਦੈਨ ਏ ਵੈਕਟਰ ਇਜ਼ ਗਿਵਨ ਬਾਏ ਏ ਐਕਸ ਆਈ ਪਲਸ ਏ ਵਾਈ ਜੇ ਪਲਸ ਏ ਜ਼ੈਡ ਕੇ। ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜਾ 3 ਡਾਇਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਸਪੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਪਾਸੇ 3 ਡਾਇਮੈਂਸ਼ਨਲ, ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ 'ਚ ਏ ਜ਼ੈਡ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ, ਕੇ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਦੇ ਐਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗੀ। ਸੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮਿਸ ਕੀਤੀ ਉਹ ਇਹ ਸੀਗੀ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਦੇਖੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਆ ਏ ਕੋਸ ਏ ਐਕਸ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਏ ਵਾਈ ਆ, ਆਪਾਂ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਦੇਖ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ। ਤਾਂ ਪਾਈਥਾਗੋਰਸ ਥਿਊਰਮ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਏ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ ਏ ਐਕਸ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਪਲਸ ਏ ਵਾਈ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਮਤਲਬ ਅਸੀਂ ਏ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ ਏ ਐਕਸ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਪਲਸ ਏ ਵਾਈ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਏ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਗਨੀਚਿਊਡ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਰੂਟ ਆਫ ਏ ਐਕਸ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਪਲਸ ਏ ਵਾਈ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੰਡਰ ਰੂਟ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਏ ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਮਤਲਬ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਰੈਕਟੈਂਗੂਲਰ ਕੰਪੋਨੈਂਟਸ ਆਫ ਏ ਵੈਕਟਰ, ਸੋ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਆਰ, ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ ਰੈਕਟੈਂਗੂਲਰ ਕੰਪੋਨੈਂਟ ਐਕਸ ਐਂਡ ਆਰ ਵਾਈ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਐਟਸੈਟਰਾ। ਜੇ ਉਹ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਵੈਕਟਰ ਸੀਗਾ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਵੈਕਟਰ ਸੀਗਾ, ਸੋ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਰ ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ ਐਕਸ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਪਲਸ ਵਾਈ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਦਾ ਅੰਡਰ ਰੂਟ ਬਣ ਜੂਗਾ। ਆ ਐਕਸ ਆ, ਵਾਈ ਆ, ਅਤੇ ਆਰ ਆ, ਆਰ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਐਕਸ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਪਲਸ ਵਾਈ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ। ਸੋ ਆਰ ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਐਕਸ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਪਲਸ ਵਾਈ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਦਾ ਅੰਡਰ ਰੂਟ ਬਣ ਜੂਗਾ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੈਗਨੀਚਿਊਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਸਿਮਿਲਰਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਮੈਗਨੀਚਿਊਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਣ ਜੂਗਾ ਏ ਐਕਸ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਪਲਸ ਏ ਵਾਈ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ ਪਲਸ ਏ ਜ਼ੈਡ ਸਕੁਏਅਰ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹ 3 ਡਾਇਮੈਂਸ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੈਕਟਰਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮੱਚ।